Sienna, it's hands down one of the coolest coffee shops probably in the country right now. It's one of those places, if you come to Calcutta, you kind of have to go. It's become quintessentially Calcutta, you know. You can see pretty much the entire city in that one coffee shop.
It all started with my mother, actually. She started this ceramic workshop in a place called Shantiniketan. She decided with her sculptor friend to start this workshop to kind of give skill training to people in the neighboring area, especially potters who do traditional kind of terracotta pottery. She decided to teach them ceramic glazes and how to glaze over the terracotta pottery, and it sort of started that way. I went to study in New York for 4 years. When I came back, I was sort of aimlessly, hanging about my mother. And I told her, I always wanted to do design. Can I just work on this ceramic workshop for a bit and see where we can take it? Maybe actually make it sustainable, make money through it, help the artisans, actually help them by making a livelihood. We decided to start a storefront in Calcutta called Sienna because the color of clay is burnt sienna, so that's where the name came from. We thought we'll just have ceramics and then maybe a few crafts of Bengal, things that you only get access to in villages or in craft fairs. This is the second space, but we decided to add a cafe element to the store because we wanted people to eat food and drink fresh juices in our ceramic items so that they would get an experience of it and touch it and feel it and then hopefully want to buy it for their home. The cafe was going to be a very small part of the store, and then now it's taken over because in Calcutta especially, food is a very important part of people's lives. I think it complements each other, the store and the cafe, because everything is sort of has the same ethical code. We use everything that is freshly made, we use local ingredients, and just like that, our products that we sell are all local, made from handloom fabrics or materials that are all natural.
We made bow ties and different accessories like earrings from our waste burlap in collaboration with Sienna Cafe. We've given them all the waste burlap that's left behind from our production, and it's been a lot of fun to be able to work together with your best friends, and especially at a place like Sienna, which is like a hub for all the interesting new and cool things happening in the city.
Although I could take Sienna to other places, I don't think I would ever, stop creating here because that's really something that's inspiring to me.